In this video, I will let you know how Upwork job posting works. Let's get going. Upwork is a freelancing platform that connects businesses with freelancers from all over the world. It's a great way to find work, but knowing how to use it properly is essential. I have opened my Upwork profile. And now I am on the dashboard. What you have to do is first, click on the Post a Job in the upper right corner. You have to write a proper title here for your job. For example, I want to give video editing services, so I will write here video editing. Then click on Next from the bottom right corner. Here you have to add your skills and then proper skills related to video editing. You have to choose the skills on which you must have proper command. Again, click on Next. Now add here the scope of your work. I will choose large here and then estimate the time of your work accomplished. I will choose 3 to 6 months. Then experience level. I will go with the intermediate. You can select at which level you are. Then here you will get the option of hiring for long-term or permanent. You can choose whatever you want here. I will choose to be hired for a full time. Now proceed next for another time. Let's have a look at the project budget. You can set your rates here on the project budget and hourly rates basis. If you choose an hourly rate, you have to add a minimum to the maximum rate per hour. Now click on Next for description. You need a proper and full-fledged description that describes your skills to impress your client. I have already done it, so here I will paste it. And then click on the Review Job Post. A pop-up with 2 different options will appear: edit the job post and post your job. Simply click on the Post Your Job if you don't want any changes. After that, you can review your job by scrolling down. If you want to change anything, you can do it from here. If you scroll down further, you can add any questions if you want, otherwise it's optional. You can write your questions here, although you can add suggested questions from here. Then there are advanced preferences. If you want to add, you can as your hire date, hours per week, and the number of professionals. You also can add talent type and your location here. I will choose the United Nations as it is the targeted audience. Now click on Post this job. Your job will be posted successfully, as I have done it. Now let's have a look at our posted jobs. For this purpose, simply click on the profile icon. It will take a while to open. Here you can invite talented people relevant to your skills. Scroll down and see. I will skip it for now. You can add your billing method, which must be through a payment card or PayPal. Here you can add your industry. Mine is tech and IT. Then add people to the company. I will go with 2 to 9 employees. You can do what you choose. Here is my dashboard. If I click on all job posts, my project will appear. Click on View Proposal to open it. It will take a while to open. You can invite freelancers from here and see your hire and save jobs from here. That's all about how Upwork job posting works. I hope you learned something from this video. If you have any question, don't hesitate to comment down below. And thank you for watching.